This is our Bunn Trifecta MB, and we have all of the parts off, the service parts. This is the back. Here's our lid, and what a good look at what the entire thing looks like. We're just going to do parts identification right now. These are your solenoids. Both of them, they are the same part. This is your air into top part of the machine, the one that expels the coffee out the bottom. It's the last one that turns on. This is an overflow. This is your water line in, hot water line in. And if we take a look down here, you can see there's that line, and we come back around. It comes right out of the top of the brewer. Here's our water tank. Notice that it's empty. Before you start working on these, please turn it upside down for about 5 minutes and let it empty. It'll make your life much easier. Down here is on the bottom here, that's your pump for putting water into the boiler. Now this is gravity fed. If you've got this tank empty and you pour water into there, it will fill all by itself. This is when you put your measured amount in, turns on initially, lights that are up here come on, and it begins the brewing process. Right here is your power switch. Again, there's our pump, and we're going to come back around and take a look at some more stuff. I'll start from the top. These are the two most common service items that I've been able to identify, from other users, been able to identify. These are the air pumps. We mentioned the first one before. Here's the one here on the side. That's the one that expels, and you can see right there, you can see how that goes up into the top. Here's our other air pump. It's the same part number. One's just oriented differently. There's the air down, and that goes around. Comes out there, that's your aeration. Your other serviceable items on the back. This is our circuit board and our brain. That's our boiler right there. Here is our thermal switch, which if you fill it up without having any water in it, it's likely to blow. That's what its job is. And we'll talk about that in a few minutes on another video. And again, there's your water line in and out. So those are your basic components of the back of a Bunn MB.